In this video, we'll show you how to add and customize an audio player on your WordPress website, using the responsive Elementor add-ons. First, let me show you what an REA audio player looks like. The audio player widget allows you to add an audio box to your WordPress website. Before getting started, you need to make sure that you have the responsive Elementor add-ons plugin installed on your website. Check out the link in the description below to learn how to install it. So, let's get started. Open a page or a post, and click on Edit with Elementor, and it will take you to the screen. On the left widget panel, scroll down and look for responsive Elementor add-ons. Now, look for the REA audio player. You can also type REA audio player in the search bar on top to locate the widget. Now, click and drag the widget to the content area. This is how it will look by default. Let's see how to customize this audio player. Under Edit REA Audio Player, you will see 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Under Content, in the Audio tab, you can upload the audio file in MP3 or OGG format. Using the Autoplay toggle button, you can choose to play the audio file automatically. You can also choose to start over the music again by clicking the Repeat the Audio toggle button. Now, let's go to the Style settings. In the Skin tab, you can choose from the 3 different themes of the audio player and select the one that best suits your website. Now, let's move on to the Advanced tab. Here, you can adjust the padding and margin of the block, and set CSS classes. You can also add motion effects to the audio player, set background color, and much more. Once you're done with the settings, click on Publish, and there you go. You have a customized REA audio player on your WordPress website. For more such tutorials about responsive Elementor add-ons in WordPress, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you in the next video.